yet another episode of Y Factor, and as you guessed it right, it is about the ongoing Cricket World Cup. Now here in India, we Indians are absolutely crazy, hopelessly in love with two things. One is cricket and the other is Bollywood. And today we'll be talking about the World Cup. And it's not that any big shot analysts or veterans of the field are joining me today. Today I'm joined by passionate young girls and boys who are very, very important for the future of Indian cricket. And today we will be talking to them about cricket and much more. Let's get started. Well, we are at Delhi's Venkateshwara International School and I'm joined by bright young minds who come here for cricket coaching. And it's World Cup season. Let's talk to them what they think about this World Cup 2019 and of course cricket in general. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shriyans Mahe.
And what's your age?
I'm 15.
Okay, so I'm sure you're excited about the World Cup.
Yes.
Are you following it?
Yes, I'm following it.
And how are you seeing India's performance?
I think they are the favorites for the World Cup.
Yeah.
They're going to win this first.
Okay, that is a lot of positivity there. I'm sure all of us Indians will be cheering for India. But apart from India, who's your favorite this World Cup 2019?
I guess Australia and England.
Why?
This is a strong lineup. I mean, I am seeing their matches the past few weeks and they are a strong team. And they are the favorites, I guess, apart from India. And yes, Steve Smith and Warner coming back. I mean, it's a great team and they have a pretty good chance to win this World Cup.
All right, according to you guys, who is the favorite this World Cup? आपको क्या लगता है?
England.
But England ने कभी World Cup नहीं जीता. That's very interesting. A country which started this game has not even once won this World Cup. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? Who is going to be the biggest threat for India this World Cup?
I think West Indies because they have some great powerhouse. Russell, Gale, they can just smash India.
Okay, West Indies of course has won the World Cup. Hi, आप लोग का क्या नाम है?
Bhavya,
How old are you?
11.
All right, very interesting. We've got girls here also. Who are you cheering this World Cup?
I think West Indies.
क्यों?
It has got very nice, good players, and they can also, as he said, they can smash India very easily.
For you?
West Indies,
How old are you?
10.
Okay, that's very interesting. And why do you think West Indies is going to be winning World Cup?
Like she said that they have very good players in the team and they play very well.
Okay, nothing for India. You're not cheering for India?
We are cheering, but I think so. India can also win, West Indies also.
All right. यहाँ पे इस साइड पे किसको लगता है India of course is a clear favorite. We all are rooting for India this World Cup. But आपके हिसाब से there's West Indies, some people said. There's also Australia. Somebody also said England. According to you, there are also teams like Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Of course, they're not the biggest threats, but for over the years काफी strong हुए हैं. Do you think they could pose a threat to India this season?
अफगानिस्तान कर सके क्योंकि न्यू स्टार्टिंग लाइनअप है, सरप्राइज पैकेज है क्योंकि स्पिनर्स बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं इसलिए.
आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे लगता है इंडिया जीत जाएगी क्योंकि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी उसमें बहुत टैलेंट है उनके अंदर, तो शायद जीत जाएगी.
अच्छा, इन्होंने धोनी की बात की, which is very interesting because this over the past few weeks, months, years, धोनी एक फैक्टर बन गया. There is a pro Dhoni side and there is an anti Dhoni side. Pro Dhoni side is that which supports Dhoni and says कि अभी भी खेलना चाहिए उनको, while the anti Dhoni side says कि नहीं अब उन्हें retire हो जाना चाहिए. What do you guys think?
I guess he has a lot of potential left in him, so he should continue playing for India. I mean, he's winning so many matches, and even now, yesterday he scored 100 in the warm-up match. So I think he can continue his career for, 2 or 3 years he can carry out really well.
Okay, any Dhoni fans here? Okay, lots of them. आप बताइए, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि धोनी is good to go अभी या उनको रिटायर हो जाना चाहिए?
धोनी बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर हैं, उनके पास काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है, अभी उन्हें खेलना चाहिए 2-4 साल वर्ल्ड कप के बाद में.
और आपको?
धोनी के पास एक्सपीरियंस आता है और वो इंडिया को बेनिफिट करेगी इस वर्ल्ड कप में, तो उन्हें खेलना चाहिए.
ओके इंटरेस्टिंग। अब धोनी की बात हो रही है तो विराट कोहली कैसे पीछे रह सकते हैं? वेल, विराट कोहली एज अ कैप्टन, दिस इज हिज फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप एंड आई एम श्योर देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस, देयर आर एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ बिलियंस एंड बिलियंस ऑफ पीपल इन इंडिया। व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आपका पहले बताइए नाम क्या है?
ऋषिक,
हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
7 years.
Okay, we have this very cute kid joining us, Rishik here, and he's 7 years old. Let's ask him about Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं आप?
मैं सोचता हूँ कि वो बहुत अच्छा खेलेगा। इस वर्ल्ड कप में उसे एक भी मैच नहीं मिस करना चाहिए। अगर वो एक भी मैच मिस करता है तो इंडिया हार सकता है।
ओके, इंडिया हार सकती है अगर एक भी मैच मिस कर दिया। ही इज द कैप्टन, ऑफ कोर्स ही इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड टू लूज एनी मैच। यहाँ पे क्या लगता है विराट कोहली, आपको लगता है व्हाट आर द एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट यू गाइस हैव फ्रॉम विराट कोहली? ऑफ कोर्स एक तो है कि कप वापस घर लाइए, इंडिया लाइए, बट इन सक्सेसिव मैचेस व्हाट डू यू थिंक विराट कोहली हैज टू गिव टीम इंडिया?
विराट कोहली टीम इंडिया के लिए एक अच्छे प्लेयर हैं।
आपको लगता है कि वो मतलब टीम में ही इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैट्समैन, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उनकी लीडिंग कैपेबिलिटीज के बारे में क्या लगता है?
मैम ही उसके साथ एक्सपीरियंस है, धोनी है, तो ऑफ कोर्स धोनी मदद करेगा, पर वो बहुत अच्छे कैप्टन है।
अच्छे कैप्टन मतलब क्या?
मैम गेमिंग सेंस बहुत अच्छी है उनकी, फील्डिंग सेंस की अपने सीनियर प्लेयर से पूछते हैं तो उनका बहुत अच्छा है।
ओके, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? विराट कोहली, ऑफ कोर्स लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम हिम दिस क्रिकेट सीजन। आप लोगों की क्या सोच है उसके बारे में?
यही कि इंडिया इस बार वर्ल्ड कप जीत जाएगी, क्योंकि उनके पास बहुत अच्छा टॉप ऑर्डर है और बस मिडिल ऑर्डर में थोड़ी 4 नंबर की दिक्कत है, तो जीत सकती है इंडिया।
In fact, yes, I'm glad that he talked about the lineup of Team India, and as he said, the number 4 slot has been a point of discussion, a point of controversy. Whether it was V. Shankar or Ambati Rayudu or KL Rahul, all of these names were considered. What do you think? Number 4 Team India के लिए कौन best है currently?
KL Rahul, I think, because he got the technique to play in England, और वो अच्छा भी करेगा वहाँ पे। और अभी लास्ट वार्म अप मैच में उसने 108 भी बनाया बांग्लादेश के खिलाफ, तो KL Rahul वहाँ पे अभी बेस्ट ऑप्शन है।
All right, he says KL Rahul. What do you think? Number 4 slot के लिए टीम इंडिया में अभी currently कौन he is the highest contender?
विजय शंकर है अभी तो वैसे,
क्योंकि
वो मतलब अच्छी बैटिंग भी करता है और थोड़ा रुक के खेलता है, थोड़ा मतलब टीम के लाइनअप के लिए, मतलब कि ऊपर जैसे जल्दी जल्दी आउट हो रहे तो टिक के खेल सकता है।
What do you think?
Dhoni can come at 4 because he has that experience, so he can play well at number 4.
Okay, we've got a die-hard Dhoni fan here. We've also got somebody who said Vijay Shankar. Then there is somebody who also vouched for KL Rahul.
KL Rahul.
Why?
He has been in a very great form since IPL. We saw him, he scored many 50s and recently he scored 100. So,
but not Vijay Shankar.
No, not Vijay Shankar. As he's a very newcomer for India, so I think it should be KL Rahul.
And for you?
I think Kedar Jadhav is a good choice.
Okay.
Yeah, because his ball is very good and batting skills are good.
Okay, and he talked about bowling. Let's talk to these youngsters. They also know about cricket. They undergo coaching. I'm sure they have some technical knowledge about bowling, about spinning. Let's ask them. अभी जो lineup है Team India का, are you happy with the bowlers they've taken?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, they're pretty good bowlers. I mean, they're experienced, and well, you look at their records. They are performing really consistently, and yeah, they can do well for the country.
And according to you, there's Bhuvneshwar Kumar and all of these guys. Do you think this is a good lineup?
It's a great lineup. As we see, Jasprit Bumrah is in our side. He's the number 1 ODI bowler. He's a great medium pacer, so he can do well for us.
And we've also got Hardik Pandya. He is seen as this multi-dimensional player, batting, bowling, everything. What do you think about him? As a team member, how does he contribute to Team India in this World Cup?
He's a great all-rounder. He bowls well, he fields well in his bat wells also. So he's a great player for us in this World Cup.
Okay, what do you think?
He's an exceptional player. I mean, the way he feels, it's completely exceptional. And batting, he's all guns blazing. I mean, you watch his stats in IPL. I mean, 13 or 14 balls he took and he scored 90 something. That's amazing. I mean, that's completely out of the game.
All right, Hardik Pandya fans here? Okay, आप बताइए कि हार्दिक पांड्या में ऐसा क्या है जो वो टीम इंडिया को करंट वर्ल्ड कप सीजन में वो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं?
ही इज़ अ पावर हिटर एंड बॉल मिड ऑर्डर में आके काफ़ी अच्छी बैटिंग कर सकता है, काफ़ी अच्छी तेज़ी से रन बना सकता है इंडिया के लिए, तो वो एक पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग होगी इंडिया के लिए।
और आपके लिए?
उसके पास पावर एबिलिटी है और वो हिटिंग भी अच्छी कर सकता है और बॉलिंग में भी अगर वो चाहे तो मतलब 2-3 विकेट निकाल के दे सकता है। और 6-7 ओवर्स अगर कोई बॉलर या फिर कुलदीप यादव या फिर चहल अगर किसी दिन उनका डे ख़राब है तो उस टाइम हार्दिक पांड्या अपना बेस्ट दे सकता है बॉलिंग से।
All right, as they say, why should boys have all the fun? We've also got girls here. Let's ask them कि इनके हिसाब से what is the lineup of Team India? How do they see it? How do you guys see it? Is it nice?
Yes, it's nice.
Are you happy with it?
Basically, yes.
Okay, and आपको?
It's nice because India have a good lineup, so it's good.
All right, they're happy with it. Ab, let's move away from the technical bit a bit and talk about cricket as a sport. Why have these guys taken it up? There are lots of sports over the years. पहले एक होता था cricket ही था. All of us liked cricket. We were loving cricket. We were breathing cricket. We were eating cricket. But over the years हमने देखा है कि इंडिया में football has also increased. Whether it's football or basketball or tennis, there are other sports. But even today, cricket seems to be dominating the choice of youngsters. Why is that? आपको क्या लगता है कि cricket क्यों चुना जाता है?
क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग क्रिकेट मैचेस देखते हैं और पार्क वगैरह में खेलने जाते हैं, इससे क्रिकेट के लिए उनका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है, तो इसीलिए वो क्रिकेट वैसे है।
पर वो तो फुटबॉल भी खेलते हैं, पहले गली क्रिकेट होता था, अभी भी होता है इन फैक्ट, बट फुटबॉल इज आल्सो समथिंग दैट इज प्लेड अक्रॉस स्ट्रीट्स। बट व्हाई डिड यू गाइस चूज क्रिकेट एज योर स्पोर्ट ऑफ प्लेइंग?
We've seen cricket since we were very small, so we loved it from a young age, so we chose it.
Okay, and for you?
Cricket, I mean, when I was a kid, I started playing like every other kid, so we connected while playing the sport. And yeah, cricket is not just a game for us, it's a feeling. Every other kid, in India, he wants to become a cricketer. So it's not just a game for us, it's a completely different feeling.
Okay, he said cricket is not just a game for us, it's about a feeling. And talking about feeling, World Cup mein, there is always that one match which India sees, breathes and loves to watch, which is the India versus Pakistan match. For us, the generation of 80s and 90s, we have seen it as a battle which needs to be won, which cannot be lost at any cost. But these are youngsters, they've over a period of time, they've seen their siblings, they've seen their parents vouch for India in an India versus Pakistan match. But what do these guys think, कि India versus Pakistan क्या अभी भी उतना strong feelings हैं, वो match में एकदम battle की तरह जाके जीत के ही आना है, या अभी ठीक है, it's just another match like Virat Kohli says?
नहीं है, लेकिन हम प्लेयर्स को दे नहीं सकते, जैसे वो पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज हैं इंडिया पाकिस्तान के, लेकिन प्लेयर्स तो अपने ढंग से ही खेलेंगे, मतलब होता है इंटरेस्टिंग मैच है, लेकिन इंडिया विल विन।
ओके, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान अभी भी इज देयर समथिंग लेफ्ट इन इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान मैच, या इट्स जस्ट अनदर मैच व्हिच नीड्स टू बी प्लेड एंड वन?
It's only a match.
Okay, for him it's only a match. आप लोगों के लिए क्या है? Is it another match or is it a war that needs to be won in a sporting field?
It's a match only.
आपके लिए?
यह मैच हो रहा है तो होने दो, पर उनके पास भी मोहम्मद आमिर है, बढ़िया बॉलर है, तो इंडिया को अच्छे से खेलनी चाहिए उनको, मोहम्मद आमिर को, बढ़िया बॉलर है वो।
All right, this was about India versus Pakistan. अब एक interesting चीज़ जो हो रही है across the country over a period of time is that cricketing coaching academies are mushrooming across the country. पहले they were limited to urban areas, to metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, etc. But now they have moved to the hinterland, to villages where the youth are coming up and taking up this sport in a very big way. आप लोग ने भी नोटिस किया होगा कि गाँव में आजकल क्रिकेट कोचिंग वगैरह सब शुरू हो गई है. हाउ डू यू सी दैट? आई एम श्योर इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, कि सिटीज़ में तो है ही, बट जो गांव में यंगस्टर्स हैं उनको भी मौका मिल रहा है अच्छी ट्रेनिंग का.
हाँ, ये अच्छी बात है, सबको मौका मिल रहा है क्रिकेट खेलने का,
और गांव वाले एरियाज़ में भी अच्छे अच्छे क्रिकेटर्स निकल रहे हैं जो भारी पड़ते हैं दूसरे क्रिकेटर्स पे।
बिल्कुल भारी पड़ते हैं जो गांव से निकलते हैं क्रिकेटर्स। आप लोगों को क्या लगता है विलेजेस में क्रिकेट कोचिंग एकेडमीज खुल रही हैं। पहले सिर्फ दिल्ली, मुंबई, मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़, अर्बन एरियाज़ के यंगस्टर्स को मिलती थी ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट आजकल गांव के यंगस्टर्स को भी वही सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी, सेम स्किल्स मिल रही हैं जो एक अर्बन यंगस्टर को मिलती हैं। हाउ डू यू सी दैट?
इट इज़ वेरी गुड, क्योंकि गांव के बच्चों को खेलना चाहिए। काफ़ी यंगस्टर्स प्लेयर्स निकलेंगे और दिल्ली, मुंबई में निकलती हैं और काफ़ी विलेज से भी निकलेंगे, ये अच्छी बात है।
इनफैक्ट पहले जैसे हमारे टीम में वीरेंद्र सहवाग और पठान ब्रदर्स जो गुजरात से, इरफान पठानी, सो ऑल दे हैव स्टोरीज ऑफ हम्बल बैकग्राउंड। ये लोग आए, मेहनत की अपनी, एंड दे मेड इट बिग ऑन टू द क्रिकेटिंग फील्ड। सो दैट्स ऑब्वियसली अ गुड आइडिया, इजंट इट?
यस, इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, क्योंकि बहुत से गांव के प्लेयर्स से स्टेट प्ले पे भारी भी पड़ते थे, तो टैलेंट उनके, तो ये अच्छा आइडिया कि गांव में भी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की जा रही है।
ओके, now as youngsters we all have our youth icons. We look up to people who we want to become like. Let's ask these people, they are into cricket. Amongst cricketers, who they think are best to look up to, who their role models are. आपको क्या लगता है, who's your role model?
My role model is Harmanpreet Kaur, basically. So many people motivate me to play like her only.
Okay, that's nice. Harmanpreet Kaur we've got. आपका कौन है role model?
Ma'am, Dhoni.
Dhoni. That's we've got this hardcore Dhoni fan here. वो हर चीज़ में धोनी का आंसर देगा, whether it's question about leaving the team or staying in the team or who's gonna play the best, and a role model, it's Dhoni for him. आपके लिए कौन है?
Mithali Raj.
Why?
Because she plays a very good cricket and she's a good player in cricket team. So in girls team she can do well for cricket.
Okay, this is also interesting that girls here are taking cricket coaching. We don't see very many girls. Of course, over a period of time, we've seen greats like Mithali Raj, Harmanpreet Kaur, Smriti Mandhana. They've all taken the women's cricket with a storm. And it's so good to see these young girls coming and, training in a sport which is traditionally seen as a men's sport. घर में जब आपने बोला कि क्रिकेट कोचिंग लेनी है, तब मम्मा पापा ने कुछ they didn't say anything कि नहीं cricket is not for girls?
Basically, my father only motivated me to play cricket. So I joined cricket when I was in 5th. So it is a great passion over here to play.
And you?
I got my father didn't say anything, my mom didn't say anything. Actually, I only said them that I want to play cricket, and I've got many friends.
And they were supportive of you. And why did you want to play cricket? Sare, there are other games. We've got tennis, badminton, swimming and squash. But why did you choose cricket?
Because cricket is a good game and it is very famous all around India. And first I used to play tennis, so I thought that tennis is not so popular, but cricket is popular, so I wanted to join cricket. I joined cricket in 4th class when I was in.
Okay, that is very great. But I'm seeing the proportion of girls, of course, is very less in cricket even today, as compared to the proportion of boys. ये लोग सब मिलके परेशान तो नहीं करते कम लड़कियों को यहाँ पे कि नहीं ये लड़कियों का स्पोर्ट नहीं है?
No.
Yes.
Are they supportive of you?
Yes.
They help you out with improving your cricketing skills?
Basically, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're happy. And you? आप तो सबसे छोटे हो इस पूरे ग्रुप में. ये बुली तो नहीं करते आप लोगों को कि नहीं सबसे छोटा है, क्रिकेट कैसे खेलेगा?
No.
They help you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing. Now, we were talking about role models. Let's ask these guys who their role models are, who they look up to. For you, India में बहुत सारे examples हैं, across the world बहुत सारे examples हैं. For you, who is that person that you look up to? कि I want to become like him if I become a cricketer.
I guess Virat Kohli. Yeah.
Why?
I mean, the way he plays, it's completely effortless, and his attitude towards the game. I mean, if you go to the stadium and just see the match, he's the only person who is always active. He doesn't give up, whether you're losing the match or winning the match. For cricket, it's like he goes till the last ball. If he wins or he doesn't care about it.
Okay, and for you? For him, it's Virat Kohli. For you?
In
Quinton de Kock from South Africa. He's a great wicket keeper, and I'm also a wicket keeper. So I look forward to him because his keeping skills are very good, and he's fit. He's a fit guy also. He bats well. I think he's the model.
Okay, आपके लिए कौन है? Who's your role model in cricket?
MS Dhoni is a good
Why?
player because his game sense and keeping is so good. And when he was a captain, captainship was so great. As he plays for the last ball, as he said, for Virat Kohli also. From the backside, he tells the bowler to where to ball and helps the bowler to ball
So
on the ball.
experience is what Dhoni has got, and you look up to him for that. For you, who is that person that you look up to?
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma, why?
He has been a very good opener batsman. He has triple 200 in ODIs, and he has been a very great captain too. In IPL, we saw him as a very good captain. He got 4 cups, IPL cups. So Rohit Sharma.
Okay, आप लोगों के लिए who are your role models?
MS धोनी।
MS Dhoni.
हाँ।
Who for MS Dhoni?
क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है उसको, कैसे फील्ड रखनी है, कैसे प्लेयर को कहाँ रखना है, और वो कम टारगेट में भी है ना अच्छा डिफाइन कर लेता है, इसलिए MS।
Okay, Dhoni has got 2 right now. Who's your role model?
David Warner, as he's very explosive batsman. He can hit many runs. So I think he has done captaincy for Sunrisers also and won the IPL. I think my role model is David Warner.
Okay, and for you?
AB de Villiers.
Why?
क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा बैट्समैन है, वो मतलब फंसा मैच भी निकाल देता है, टिक के खेलता है वो।
अच्छा, आपके लिए?
विराट कोहली.
Virat Kohli. Okay, Virat Kohli has got another one. Why?
Because he is a very good player after Sachin Tendulkar. He has more runs for India, so I like him.
Okay. आपके लिए कौन है? Who's your role model?
विराट कोहली।
क्यों?
क्योंकि विराट कोहली बहुत अच्छे खेलते हैं, मतलब वो फील्डिंग ठीक लगाते हैं, मतलब अपने पूरे मतलब मैच लेके खेलते हैं।
Okay, what's interesting is once former Sri Lankan cricketer Arjuna Ranatunga had once said about Sachin Tendulkar that if he gets out in a match, half that battle is won. आप लोगों को लगता है, who all do you think is current lineup of players में across the 10 nations that are playing the World Cup? For India, who's that one player कि एक out हो जाए बस, तो half that battle is won?
Virat Kohli again, because many players quoted this thing that once Aaron Finch said that Virat Kohli, please stop making batting look so easy. So it tells the way he plays, it's so effortless. I mean, he destroys bowlers completely, and everybody's like, just get this guy out and then we can win the match.
But that is about when other teams are playing against India. Like the first match India has is with South Africa. Who is that one person which India will be looking to get out and things will be easier for Team India then?
For South Africa, I don't really know, because earlier I used to think AB de Villiers, but now he's not in the team. So I don't really think they do have a threat against South Africa.
And what do you think? Who's that one person in the South African team?
I think Faf du Plessis, because he's a very destructive batsman. He can blow any side with his batting, and he's a good captain too. So he's a threat to India.
Interesting, because Virat Kohli, before the team India went for the World Cup, they left for the World Cup, they held a press conference where Virat Kohli said that if there is one cricketer, one person that he wants in his team, that would be Faf du Plessis. Do you agree with him? Faf du Plessis is somebody who should be, hypothetically ही सही, but वो team में एक अच्छी contribution करते हैं, and against Faf du Plessis, India, he is that one person जो India जिसको out करना ज़रूरी है.
फैफ डू प्लेसी बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली अगर इंडिया के अगर टीम में है तो उनका लाइनअप और अच्छा हो सकता है, मगर आई डोंट थिंक कि वो उनको, मतलब इंडिया का लाइनअप भी बहुत अच्छा है देखे जाए तो दे हैव वेरी गुड ओपनर्स, रोहित शर्मा, शिखर धवन, वन डाउन विराट कोहली, सो आई डोंट थिंक दे नीड फैफ डू प्लेसी इन देयर टीम.
Okay, according to him, they don't need Faf du Plessis in their team. आपको क्या लगता है, who is that one person in the South African team जिसको out करने से things will be easy for Team India after that?
Faf du Plessis, Quinton de Kock.
क्यों?
मतलब वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर्स हैं, वो बॉलर्स को धो भी सकते हैं.
Okay, वो बॉलर्स को धो भी सकते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है कौन है वो, Faf du Plessis और de Kock?
Because he's very powerful hitters and big turns in his teams, so I could Quinton de Kock and Faf du Plessis. And Hashim Amla.
Hashim Amla too.
Yes.
Why?
He's very good opener, his style of playing and he's powerful hitter.
Okay, आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think is the who do you think is that one person जिसको out करना ज़रूरी है in the India versus South Africa match, which is the first match for India in the World Cup?
मैम हाशिम अमला, क्योंकि उसका एवरेज अकॉर्डिंग टू चेजिंग टाइम उसका एवरेज बहुत अच्छा है और 90 रन वो बिहाइंड है विराट कोहली के फास्टेस्ट 9000 रन को ब्रेक करने के लिए, तो दैट्स व्हाई हाशिम अमला.
All right, तो ये तो बात हुई इंडिया की फर्स्ट मैच की. Now, before we wrap up, a quick question to all of them कि after all these matches, the first battle that will come is the semi-finals. Of course, we'll have to see who all go into the finals. But for the semi-final, आपको क्या लगता है कि who do you want to see are the two teams which will be playing the semi-final? Semi-final lineup क्या होना चाहिए?
I think India-Australia would be a good match in semi-finals because last time in the World Cup, Australia beat India and Australia won the finals. So it's time for India to just win the match and go to finals and win the cup.
Okay, it's time for India to win the match and go into the finals. आपको क्या लगता है semi-finals में इंडिया के against किस टीम को खेलना चाहिए?
न्यूजीलैंड.
न्यूजीलैंड क्यों?
Because he is a very strong batting lineup and so he gone in semi-final and India win the semi-final and win the World Cup.
But न्यूजीलैंड से इंडिया भी हार गई थी warm-up game में.
Yeah, but this is the warm-up match and the real game is different.
Okay, the warm-up and the real actual match is different. According to you, क्या semi-final lineup होना चाहिए?
India-Australia.
India-Australia क्यों?
Because Australia have got some very good players and India will still look in the recent series. Australia has beaten up India by 3-2, so it will be a good battle between India and Australia in the semi-final.
Do you agree with him? India versus Australia is what we want to see?
Yes.
Why?
Because in Australia, David Warner and Steve is back, so.
Okay, India versus Australia has always been very interesting. Of course, that is after India versus Pakistan. We Indians will always head for that battle first. But what do you think semi-final lineup क्या होना चाहिए?
I think India-England. They are the favourites for the World Cup and their match will be interesting.
And then, hopefully, India will win it because England never wins the World Cup.
Yeah, that is.
What do you think? According to you, क्या semi-final lineup होना चाहिए?
I would say India versus Pakistan because last time we lost the finals against them and this time it's time to come and just win the match and then we can go ahead for the finals and of course I would love to see finals. India versus Australia. It would be a great match. Finals.
Alright, so India versus Pakistan, India versus Australia is what they want to see this World Cup season in the semi-finals. Of course, we'll have to see who wins that match. Well, Sachin Tendulkar once said, don't stop chasing your dreams because they do come true. And we hope and pray that all of these youngsters one day get out there, wear this beautiful blue jersey of Team India and represent the country and make us all proud. But right now it is the World Cup season and we want to tell Team India that whether they win or lose the match, whether they get that beautiful trophy back home or not, we're always there with them. And on that note, we want to say something to Team India. On the count of 3, I want all of you guys to wish Team India 1, 2, 3. Chak de India!
Team India, get the World Cup home.
Team India,
get the World Cup home. Team India,
Get the World Cup home.